So this is like dog days of summer right now. It's late August. It's been low 90s all week. Nothing's really biting. But a few days ago we had like a big storm come through, and we had 2 days of rain. So I was watching the gauges, watching for the water to drop and the turbidity to go down. And then I checked my favorite creek and saw the temperature drop to 64. So of course after work I had to come out here with my brother, and we're getting on them. I'll tell you what. Same worm? Ooh, that's a nice fish. Nice colors. Put them in the net. Win on the pin. Third casting.
Trout on. Fighting him. I got my little cigar clip. Burnt my line. He just stopped, so I went and grabbed it. Here he is. Nice one.
It's a real nice one.
Yeah, so.
It's a mess.
It's a mess. I got him though. There he is.